Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video we see how to use the draft command in Unigraphics. See here draft. You can see here the command draft. Why we use this option means to give some angle for the body faces. For this, first I create a rectangular block. Go to sketch. Selected plane. A rectangle taken. Finish sketch. I extrude. So both sides added symmetrically. Now I give some color. I hide the sketch. Now select draft. In Unigraphics you can see draft command. See 4 sub options in this: from planar surface, from edge, tangent to faces, to parting edges. I'll explain all the 4 options, then what is the difference between each options. First, the simple option, select planar surface. Say suppose I want to apply draft angle some 10 degrees to this surface. So first vector, you have to select a vector. This vector you can see, when you select vector option you can see 3 axes in 3 direction. I select Z axis. Stationary face, a neutral face where the face should be constant. See, I am giving draft angle to this face, so stationary face I select the top surface so that this face will be constant and the bottom surface changes according to the angle given. Now in this phase 2 draft, simple thing, the angle to the face, select that face. Now minus 5 degrees. See, if it is minus 5 degrees, I give minus 10 degrees. Draft angle given inside. If it is plus 10 degrees, see outside you will get 20 degrees. You can select multi faces. See, I select this. I select this face. All the faces drafted. 20 degrees drafted. See, this is the usage of draft command. Then we go back. I go back. Now again I select. Additionally, in this option, select stationary face. Now select face 20 degrees. The additional option in this is, see, if you want to give draft angle individually, that means to this surface I want 5 degrees, to this surface I want some 10 degrees, to this surface some 20 degrees. Like individually I need to give, instead of selecting 4 times the option, here we have add new set. Select this, add new set option. At the end, now select this face, enter 10 degrees. See, this face drafted to 10 degrees. Again turn this, add new set, select this face. I want this face 30 degrees like this. Again turn this, add a new set. This I want some 45 degrees. See, individually applied draft angle for 4 sides. With the help of this add new set option, you can edit again by selecting this list option. So suppose after if you want to edit, simply you just see angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, select that and just change here. List, you have to open the list. So this is the first option. Then in the first option you have to select face. I go back. Now we see second option, from edges. As the name indicates, you have to select edge. First option we have selected surface, from edge, from edges. Same thing, vector, stationary edge, nothing but in previous case we have selected the face. Stationary edge, select this edge, then simply give some 15 degrees draft. If you give negative value -15, it goes inside like this. Then it has also add new set option, means in the previous case also we have seen individually you have to select all, you have to select edge, not face. See, like this. Then what is the difference between both? Is the difference only selecting the edges in this means, see, additional to that, in this option from edges you have variable draft points. What does it mean? See, I'll explain. Go back. Additionally in this from edges, see, vector, stationary edge. See, means we get a draft angle to this face connecting to this edge. Now in this single face only I want different angles. See, at the end, if we want 5 degrees, at some 20% I need 10 degrees, at 40% I need some 30 degrees, again at some distance I need 5 degrees. Like that, if you want to change, here we have option in this. See, variable draft points. Select this, select point. Now 20 degrees, I give some 5 degrees or 10 degrees. So constant throughout the edge, 10 degrees draft you can see. Specific point, variable draft points. Under variable draft points, select specific point. Randomly you just select on that edge. Then here see, percentage arc length, arc length. If you know the length of the edge, you just select arc length and give the value. At 20 mm I want some angle, at 50 mm I want some angle, like that you can give. But randomly, as we have drawn this this length and width we have taken, I select a percentage arc length. Now at 0% 20 degrees, I want at 20% the draft angle should be 40. See, at 20% the draft angle should be 40. I select another point. See, now again I am selecting the point. See, at 0 degrees, at 0 degrees I want, at 0% I want 20 degrees. See here, Now you can see the changes. Starting from here, it is considering 0%. At 0%, dropped angle given 20. At 20%, a dropped angle given 40. Now again I select point. I select point. Okay, let it be. It is selecting at the end point only. That's why the error showing. No problem. Now I give arc percentage arc length. See, 60 at 60%, angle should be 10 degrees. See now at 60% it has changed to 10 degrees. Now I select, see here you can select a point on the edge option, point on the curve edge. Now I select a point again here at 80%. At 80% I want 30 degrees. See here, see the changes. Now at end I want again 20 degrees back. At 100% 20 degrees back. Like this individually you can give different draft angle for the same face. So from edges you can see option variable drop points. Now go for OK. See here, individually at 10%, at 20%, at 40% I changed angle. That's why the face has been changed in this shape. See, you can see the list also. See here, list. See here, 10, 30 degrees, 20 degrees at different percentage. You can change again by selecting in this list. This is the option from edge. In previous command you can't change like this. Next, tangent to faces. I delete this, where you can apply tangent to face option. As the name mentioned, tangent face, you have to select round face. For that I select edge blend, face blend, select this face, select this face and select this face, so that see one side round I have changed. Now go for dropped. Use full option, simple option, tangent to faces. Select vector. I select this vector and select face. See, now you can give angle. See, angle 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees, 60 degrees. See, tangentially dropped angle is given either side of the surface. See, don't change a vector direction here. See, if you change vector direction, see you can see the error, because it can't apply dropped angle inside. The tangents means it should be outside, so reverse the direction again. This is tangent surface, a simple option. I go back. Now in this last option, parting edge, here additionally you can see parting edge. See, vector, stationary plane, I select this surface. Parting edge, see, I select the bottom edge, then give angle 30 degrees. It's a simple option. The parting edge up to, see, the edge which we have selected under parting edge, nothing but dropped angle is given up to that parting edge. Say suppose If you select any parting edge at the middle, then the dropped angle will be up to that edge only. Then how can I create an edge here on the surface? Means there is an option called divide face in Unigraphics. Go for more, insert, design feature, not design feature, trim, divide face. See, if you don't find a command, then you can directly find command divide face. You can write here, then it will show. Insert, trim, divide face. I select this face. Dividing objects, as we have a plane at the middle, object, I select this plane. Now exactly at the center it is divided, and edge you can see at the center. Now see, very useful option. See here, you will get multiple outputs in this. Parting edge, vector, z-axis, plane, stationary plane. I select this surface. Now see, select edge, parting edge. See here, very useful option. See, 30 degrees, I give 30 degrees. See the output. In this you will get a multiple output. See how means, see, 30 degrees if you give, as you have known, as we have seen, 30 degrees outside, 20 degrees outside. If you give minus 20, this is the second output. See, you will get like this. Now I give 20 degrees, and the third output I will show you. If you reverse the vector, if you reverse a vector direction, see the other side you will get 20 degrees means, see, from the parting edge it moves to the downside. See, now the fourth output in this is minus 20. See, like this you will get. See, multiple outputs. Now I will show you some more outputs with this command only. See the output it generates. I delete this. Now what I do is, see, in previous case we have divided this face now. See, in this only divide face option, okay, I went back and divide face, I have selected divide face. See, in this now I select multiple faces. Now you can see on all the 4 faces you can see the edge, is it not? Now see the output I will show with this command. 4 outputs I will show you. See, very useful option. Parting edge, vector, z-axis, stationary plane, this one. Now parting edge, now let it be positive value 20 degrees. 1, reverse the vector, the outside you will get. See here, this is the first output, 20 degrees. Now parting edge, under parting edge I select all the 4 edges. See here, with a single option. This is one output. See, with a single option you will get. For multiple faces up to that parting edge, this is one output. Then if I give minus 20 degrees, see the output. See here, this is the second output. If you want to generate this, you have to use multiple options, whereas in a single command you can do this. This is a second output, is it not? Now I'll show the third output. Let it be 20 degrees. I reverse vector. See what happens. Vector direction I reverse. See, the bottom side you got 20 degrees, 10 degrees, 20, double click, let it be -20. Now I reverse this vector, see, reverse direction, then see, the top will be the constant from parting edge, bottom side for all the faces are -20 degrees. It is quite opposite, see, -20. This is the third output. Then what happens if I give +20 in this direction? See, inside you will get 10. If I give 10, it is not accepting. See, reverse direction, +20. See here, 10. See here, yes, see, 10 degrees like this. 20, it still goes inside because the faces intersects. 30 only.